Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. You guys, I am outside today because I am actually in a rush. My honey is waiting for me in the car and we're about to leave. We're gonna go to Ikea. I am so excited and so pumped, you guys, because I've never been to Ikea. Let's just say that I've heard that it's like a real life Pinterest, so catch me designing my entire home at Ikea and I'm so pumped. Okay, let's go, you guys, because me están esperando. Alrighty, here's the fit, ladies. Let's go shopping. Aquí andamos en el carro, you guys. I'm just waiting and I was like, honey, we need to have space for all my stuff. And he was like, how much you plan to buy? Just kidding, you guys. I'm not gonna buy too much. I'm not really gonna buy a lot. I'm mainly looking for a desk, to be honest, and I was gonna get it online, but I was like, let me aprovechar because I've never been to Ikea. It's a little far from us, which is why we haven't gone yet. I was like, let's just go to Ikea. So now we're going to Ikea. I only want a desk and I don't have much space where we're living right now for other things, but you best bet if I like it, I'm gonna go back. How exciting, you guys. I'm super excited. Ya saben that I love to shop, and I actually, you guys, I love to design and like design homes. I have design homes, I mean, on Pinterest. You know, I'm a certified Pinterest home decorator, and on my Pinterest home decoration, you guys, I have so much stuff, so many. I even have my baby's nursery. I don't have a baby, but I have everything planned. I have my kitchen, I have my pantry, I have my sala, I have my like bathrooms. This is so exciting. I heard it's huge. I'm hyping it up too much. Next clip, we're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. We're here, we made it. Why do I feel like I'm going to Disneyland right now? This is like real life Pinterest. Okay, let's. You guys, I really like this griddle thing. I really like this stove, although I have been going back and forth between a gas stove and an electric. This sink is nice, but I don't like the two. I'd rather just have one big compartment. These are some nice big salad bowls. I kind of want some. I might come back when we have our own home. Very nice. This is nice because it's all touch screen. Oh, yeah, I don't like this. Okay. See, this is more like it, like one compartment sink, but I wish it was a little bit deeper so I can fit more of my dirty trastes, you know? Babe, I need this. Look, it has a light, it can hold my phone, I can vlog. I want it. Oh, such a cute little patio and the little lights, like fairy lights. Yeah, at nighttime. I think if we have boys, I'm gonna do like a safari theme. And I'm gonna have a snake wrapping around the like where the curtain goes. Okay, I need this for my vegetables. What's over here? More utensils. Finally, for the thing that I actually came for, a desk. You guys, they even have food here. We got like some ice cream and some pizza. It's so yummy. Hi guys, so brief interruption. I thank you for making it up to this point of today's video. I know not everybody made it to this point, but if you did, thank you so much, and I know that you are a true supporter. And that being said, you guys, we did hit 1,000 subscribers a few weeks ago. I just have been so busy that I haven't been able to like post a video or anything like that, but we did hit 1,000 subscribers. And I want to give back to you guys. As I mentioned in my previous video, I do want to give something back for you guys. And in this video, if you made it to this portion of today's video, then you have a chance to win. So since I'm always talking about Starbucks and I work at Starbucks, and I know a bunch of you guys really like Starbucks as well. So for this giveaway, I will be giving away 3 Starbucks gift cards. I just feel like that's the easiest because there's really no wait time. I just have to email it to you, and as soon as you receive it, you can start using it, start going to Starbucks. There will be a first place, second place, and third place. First place winner will get a $15 Starbucks gift card. The second place winner will get a $20 Starbucks gift card, and the third place winner will get a $25 Starbucks gift card. Get some Starbies on me, girlies. I know it's not that much, girlies, but I really want to give you guys something back, even if it's small. And I really hope you guys still want to participate and still want to enjoy some Starbucks. So the rules to this giveaway is going to be pretty simple. I'm not gonna have you guys do any kind of crazy scavenger hunt through my videos or anything like that. Here are the rules for the giveaway. So there will be 4 rules to this giveaway. The first rule is you have to be subscribed, Ovi. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Second is you have to be following me on either my Instagram or my Twitter account. Third is you have to share my YouTube account through one of the social medias and tag me to either of those 2 social medias. And fourth, you have to like and comment on this video. You can comment whatever you like. You can comment if you've been to Ikea, if you like Ikea, if you have no clue what Ikea is. You can honestly comment whatever you like. You can comment what you eat for breakfast. You can comment like whatever you want, girl. Comment whatever you want. Comment something and like the video, and that way I will know that you want to enter. All the rules will be listed in the link box down below if you want to participate, and I'll see you guys within a week's time. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with that. Thank you guys so much for always supporting your girl. I am so grateful. I am mind blown and I am ready to keep growing. So I will be waiting for you guys. I know that sounds kind of basic, you guys, but I love coffee, and I know a bunch of my girls love coffee. And if you don't love coffee, there's other stuff there in Starbucks that you can get. You can get yourself a yummy pastry, you can get yourself a drinkity drink, you can get yourself maybe like a discount on a cup. You know, it always feels like you're not really spending your money when it's a gift card. So, you know, a little discount on a cup if you really want a tumbler. But I just want to give it back to you guys, even if it's something small. For now, we will eventually grow. I know we will, and the prices will get better. But for now, you guys, this is my little way of saying thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy and so thankful to have all of you guys here with me watching my videos. I really appreciate you all so much. And you guys, I know this is kind of random because I put this little clip in the Ikea video. I will be showing you guys my desk probably at the end of this little clip. Really brief, really small, but thank you guys so much. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.